Hey YouTube, today we're gonna make an iced coffee using this Ninja Dual Brew Pro coffee brewing system. I did an unboxing on this video some time ago and I'll link the video for that right here. But today we're gonna make an iced coffee using this, and we're gonna use these coffee pods. These are just regular old Gevalia coffee pods. We're gonna use this to make an iced coffee. We might need to use 2 of this, depending on how much it actually makes. But let's get to it. Let's go ahead and make an iced coffee. Get your favorite glass, fill it up with some ice. You can do cracked ice or cubed ice. I just did regular ice out of the fridge. Then set the brew style to over ice. And I'm gonna use the largest possible setting, which is 12 ounces. You could get a maximum of 12 ounces out of a pod using this system. Then you just hit the start button. Make sure your water canister is full of water. This one's about halfway full. Hopefully you could see this on camera. You can see the stage of the brew through the light here. Once the light gets to the end, it'll be done brewing. With the brewing complete, the only thing to do now is to add your favorite cream and maybe some whipped cream to top it up. Give it a stir. A little bit of whipped cream just ran out. Other than the whipped cream, here you go, an iced coffee brewed on this Ninja Dual Brew Pro coffee system. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next one. God bless.